Life can be easy on some days, but life can also be hard. We all have hard moments. A hard moment can make us feel scared. It can make us feel sad. It can make us feel tired. In these moments, we want to feel calm. Feeling calm helps us think better. Feeling calm helps us see the problem in a simple way. When we're calm, we can take small steps to make our day better. Feeling calm is not a big or difficult skill. It is a small skill. Anyone can learn it. Anyone can use it. You do not need special tools. You do not need special things. You only need time, breath, and simple actions. These actions can help your body and mind feel safe again. When life is hard, our body gives us signs. For example, our hands can shake. Our heart can beat fast. Our stomach can feel strange. Our head can feel heavy. These signs tell us that we need a break. They tell us that we need to slow down. They tell us that we need to calm our body first. One good way to feel calm is to breathe slowly. Slow breathing can help a lot. You can sit down. You can stand. You can close your eyes if you want. Breathe in through your nose. Then breathe out through your mouth. Try to make your breath soft and slow. Do this many times. When you breathe slowly, your body feels more relaxed. Your mind feels more clear. You can feel more safe inside. Another way to feel calm is to say simple, kind words to yourself. Many people say strong or negative words to themselves when they feel stress. They say, "I cannot do this," or "I am not good." These words make the moment harder. These words make the heart heavy. So try to use kind words instead. You can say, "I am trying," or "This is hard, but I am okay," or "I can take one small step." These small words can make a big change inside you. Looking at the problem in a simple way is also helpful. When we feel stress, the problem looks very big. It feels bigger than us. But many times, we only need to take one small step. We do not need to fix everything at once. We only need to ask one simple question. What can I do now? This question can help you focus. It can help you choose one small action. One small action is enough for now. It is also good to remember that hard moments are normal. All people have hard moments. A student, a worker, a parent, a friend. All people feel stress sometimes. You are not alone. You are not strange. It is okay to feel worried. It is okay to feel sad. When you remember this, you can feel more calm. You can say, "Other people also feel this. I am human. This is normal." Talking to someone you trust can also help you feel calm. You can talk to a friend. You can talk to a family member. You can say, "I feel stressed today," or "This moment is hard for me." When you talk, your heart feels lighter. Someone can listen to you. Someone can say kind words back to you. This can help you breathe and calm down. Another way to feel calm is to take care of your body. When you drink water, your body feels better. When you take a slow walk, your body relaxes. When you stretch your arms or move your legs, your body feels more free. Simple actions can make your body feel safe again. And when your body feels safe, your mind also feels calm. You can also look at positive things in your day. Maybe you had a bad moment, but maybe you also had a small good moment. Maybe you had a nice breakfast. Maybe you saw the sky. Maybe you heard a kind word from a friend. When you look at good things, even small ones, your heart feels more open. You can think, this moment is hard, but there are also good things here. It is helpful to make calm habits in your normal day. When you practice calm on normal days, it becomes easier in hard days. You can breathe slowly every morning for 1 minute. You can look at the sky for a few seconds during the day. You can wash your hands slowly and feel the water. You can listen to soft music at night. These small actions tell your body, you are safe, and your body will learn to relax more easily. Another helpful idea is to accept your feelings. Many people try to hide their feelings. They say, I must be strong. I cannot cry. I cannot show fear. But when we hide feelings, they become bigger inside. Later, they can make us very tired. It is better to say, yes, I feel sad now, or yes, I feel scared now. When you accept your feelings, you give them space. Then your body can relax. Your mind can become calm again. Sometimes the hard moment is something we cannot change. Maybe someone is sick. Maybe something breaks. Maybe someone says something unkind to you. You cannot control these things, but you can control your small actions. You can eat. You can drink water. You can clean your room a little. You can sit in a quiet place. These small actions are simple, but they help you feel calm and safe. You can also remember your past hard moments. Think of a time you felt stress before. Maybe you thought, I cannot handle this. But now you are here. You are still alive. You are still learning. You are still growing. This shows that you are strong. This shows that you can move through hard moments. When you remember your strength, you feel more calm. You trust yourself more. Feeling calm in hard moments is not a perfect skill. You do not need to be calm all the time. You only need to try. You only need to come back to your breath. You only need to use kind words. You only need to take one small step. Every small action can help you feel a little better. When a hard moment comes again, you can say, I know this feeling. I have felt this before. I can breathe. I can wait. I can take a small step. These simple words are strong. They can help your heart stay open. They can help your mind stay clear. They can help your body feel safe. In the end, calm is a gentle friend. Calm does not shout. Calm does not run. Calm stays with you. Calm helps you see the world in a soft way. Calm helps you move slowly and simply. Calm helps you feel safe, even when life is hard. And the more you practice this, the more calm you will carry inside you, every day, in every moment.